Hello friends, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a rainbow game using Scratch. Okay, so so first of all what we are going to do is we are going to delete the sprite and then go to choose a sprite and then paint, and we are going to draw a drop. Okay, a very thin one is enough, a small ball, so you can just zoom it in and then draw a dot. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we have to duplicate it. Just give duplicate so that we have got two of them. Okay, now first I'm going to do the code for sprite 1, because our sprite 1, we need three sprites to move around, and one sprite is going to join all of them and then draw something for us. Okay, so this is known as a rainbow game. Okay, so now what we are going to do is first block that we are going to take is when flag clicked. Okay, so after you place this, go to motion, take point in direction. So this is the block that changes the direction of the dot. Okay, now we want it to be changing randomly, like from one direction to another direction by but using the random angles. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to operators and then take pick random from -180 to 180. Okay, so now if you press this, you can see that the sprite 1 is changing its direction very randomly in different angles. Okay, now again go to control, take forever, because next task is to happen forever. Okay, because it needs to be a bouncing ball. Okay, let's take more 10 steps, and now you can see that it's moving, but once when it touches on the edge, it's not bouncing back, right? You can see it has just gone along the edges. So now go to motion and take if on edge bounce and place it below the more 10 steps. And now what you can see is that once it touches the edge, it's bounce back and then move on. Okay. So now we need three bouncing balls here. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate this sprite 1 three times. Okay, which means twice. Again we have got one, again we need two more. Okay, just right click on sprite 1 here and press duplicate. Again, once again repeat the same step and you can get three of the balls bouncing. Okay, so this is how we create a bouncing balls. Okay, now what I am going to do is in the sprite 2, we are going to make it draw. Okay, so let's go to events and take the first block right when flag clicked. Okay, now we need a drawing tool. For that, what we have to do is go to add extension and take the pen tool from here. Okay, now, initially, when you click on the flag, you want the screen to be a white screen, okay, and then start the drawing. For that, let's choose the first block to be erase all. Okay, so now what we are going to do is let's set the pen size to 1, because we need a very thin line. If it's 10 means it would be a thick line. Okay, now let's go to the control and take a forever. Okay, now in the motion, let's go to sprite 1, because the sprite 2 is going to sprite 1 and then they are going to move together, okay, while drawing. So now what you can see here is that both of them are moving together, right? Can you see this? Okay, now let's go to the pen and take pen down and place it here. so that you can see that it is moving, okay, and drawing a line, but rest of the two are just bouncing. We need to join them as well, okay. So for that, what we're going to do is go to motion and go to sprite 3, again go and go to sprite 4. So now you can see that in one color itself, it's drawing several variety of geometrical figures. But what we need, it was a rainbow game and it should be creating rainbow patterns, right? For that, go to pen and change pen color by 10, okay? And just change the 10 to 1, and what you can see that at each step it is changing, right? Now let's take pen up and place it here so that it will have, like, pen up means it will stop the drawing, okay. And then only you will be able to get equal spacing between the line, okay. For that we are doing this pen up, okay. I hope it is clear to you how it works, and once I'll just show you by changing the pen color to 10, and you can observe that at a time it will draw 10 colors, okay. Now you can see at a time it's drawing 10 colors, otherwise what it was doing was that after one color it was changing to another color. And now let's observe after giving the pen size to 10, you can see that it would be a thick line, okay. You can see it's very thick and it's just like you are not able to see the pattern, right? Even 5 is also thick. That's why I told you always we can give 1. Okay. So this is how the pattern, if you want to view this in the full screen, you can go to the right end to the full screen control and click on this, and then you can observe it. It will be drawing several geometrical patterns. Okay. So I hope you guys loved this video, and if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as comment your feedback in the comment box. Okay, hoping to see you soon with another game, and bye guys.